love the rum. Look how him drink off me special.
You want a special, sir? Eh?
Have a rum tree.
No, come up here.
Come in, me boy.
You drink too much rum. You see bounce look away, bounce up here. Man, carry up. Bring everything on to come back. You know, man, carry up.
Man, you feel low, you rub it, sir.
You can't mind your blood.
Kia, man, mine is dropping up. Oh, mine is dropping up.
Yeah, you can't come on this way. You just have a man who
Let
blood.
them carry it come to you.
Hey, Karen, give him some blows, watch ya. Karen, give him some blows and skirt liquid there. Mine is dropping on the road, boy.
Karen, I'll lick out your cocky. Let my, she must have a rum there. Take your hand, man. Pussy boy.
You want this special? I don't want no more. See what special?
This special, take it.
Yeah, see special. Take up that and have a drink. Yeah, man.
Food, you know, to go with that rum.
That shake up backside. I drink, see the watch out, come on to there. Watch out.
So they drink rum in the picking legs.
No, sir. Hey, you tell you easy, no?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not telling you big.
How we are going to call big? Big up for Russia.
Yo, General. Yo, Italy, if you eat it, Spanish rum still here.
Big up for Russia.
You love rum too much, my youth. If you do better, man. If you do better, yes, sir.
A bad man,
Yeah, we know you're a bad boy if you do better.
Hi guys, this is my grandmother's sweetie pie. And when she younger, she used to sell her body. And she's a pig.
No, Angie, don't do that to me, man. Don't do it. Never sell pussy yet. No,
Mama, easy now.
disrespect my man.
Yeah, mama. Don't walk to that.
People are suck yourself, brother. I mean, bust your shot now, you blood clot face now.
You look cutie.
You look cute, your mama.
You look cute, but too.
I have a friend, a beard man smell like a roach.
Smile. Give me a one
Oh, smile, look.
Smile a while. And give your face a rest.
No, smile.
Smile.
No, smile.
Smile. Smile.
Yeah, post the one, you know. That man was falling on up a girl. You better stop it here.
So, in your old age, you really want baby?
Yes, man. My baby look like
And look how time hard and you want baby, Daphne.
you mean then baby me live you know. I mean I'm fish food and
And what at a white baby look like?
yes, man, mix up with thing, man.
No, me not like that.
Yeah, me no got white. Me no got white. With granddaughter no got a white up man husband.
Baby again, in your old age, yeah.
Yes, brother.
Everybody cousin flame.
Mommy! What?
Why you him? The amount of man we feel mama fuck with, I know you don't know who him Papa missus. I know nobody know who on him. Not jacket, man.
What jacket? You want to see my father?
They're not jacket.
Warrior, I tell you all the while, you know, say, I see it kill Mr. Thomas pussy, you know. Can't upon this eye wall or something beside sleep, you know. One of them there will drop off and can't get up back, you know. Cause you have born this whole heap of high grade spliff and dip on top of the wall and drop asleep. Father, I see it kill Mr. Thomas puss. Remember that blood clot, yeah? You did ask the teeth. Nothing wrong with that? Alright. Pussy clot all by the house to sleep, boy. Oh, you don't go far that ground. Wait, dog, yes, sir. Alright. Alright, my boss. Big up yourself. One go.
Rasta want to eat.
Rasta want to eat.
Yes.
Say I give him a eat.
Yes. He never want to my boom boom.
I was
He want that. He want Philip. He never give no. What is that? How
Philip, and I say Sheena, we are mash up Sheena, we are mash up Sheena video for.
Look who
Philip, I interrupt Sheena video for.
Look who. How money?
Where is it now, Sheena?
How money give me? He want to eat.
One Mr. Dust.
Me a song them, boss.
Yes, you want a new song?
Yeah, man.
Eh? Hold on. Tell them to look out when time them a come. If you nobody stand up and don't run, tell them look out when time them a come. If people no run, people a go drop down. Hey, and Mr. Dust me name and me no follow man. Greatness in me blood like Solomon. And me no take that for the devil na Babylon. Cause they shoot our dog and run them shalalam. So them free up cartel, he does another song. Girl can girl, me have one and another one. But the boy them need to get another land. And if it's not, we boom them like Taliban. Look out! Bang!
Something. Me say, you know, yeah. Me say me used to say the 8th of March, me man. And me work with it. Well, then me get a piece of paper say the 4th. People say, my mother say the 4th. You see, why me get antenna come for me 8th paper? And the 4th of March and the 5th of March. And the 4th me ban. Why me get me 8th paper? Different sitting there on there. Take out 9 years we go on. 8th paper. Talk truth come out. So they ban the 4th, not the 5th. Like me it is fashion. Any girl who feel like they could have taken me for fool for 2020 or then they take me for fool for 2024. Listen me. A blood clot November now. Get your blood clot shit together. I'm a new blood clot person with the same attitude at 2025 now. I say go. Alright, blood clot rich, big pussy girl, leave me alone. Fuck you and your priorities.
Me say bush. A bush me go to.
Marian! Me say no go on the yard!
You go to bush with Dumfries, you are bush in a business, go to bush with Dumfries.
Past Dumfries, but I'm going to go around the corner around a last shop around it. You might walk a Mataboo.
I want to see your man there.
A party. Come from summertime.
You see all of me attack, you know
and drive the white truck around there so me know.
Stand I'm your man.
I know.
And that the man there around there so. One of your white truck there.
Yeah, I know. No, I know that the one.
Oh, how we try. Why fuck you so much, man?
You're nearby, man. Nearby.
Just take a TMP and in a labor. I want to do with you. You're my mother's friend. I want to friend you.
You're my manager, no my friend. Pick your side.
Pick your struggle. But what kind of struggle be here? Deal with it. Look my hand. You're your girl. Oh, God, man. Deal with her. Your sister, man. Deal with it. Look my hand. You're your girl. Oh, God, man. Deal with her. Look, I hear natural. Sit on here, I hear natural. Hey. Come, Wally, come no say. By the whining son, Buras. Get new bag. Yeah, love it.